Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a little trick for making plaid papers that I learned from Jessica here, one of our designers at Pixel Scrapper. She always makes these amazing plaid papers that I was really curious how she did it. And so I asked her and she told me, and it's amazing. So today I'm going to tell you. I will be using this plaid action set from Elif to do this. So this will be very quick. So you can use this or you can just make plaids if you don't have that. So she says what she does is she uses her preview. I'm just going to flatten this for now. And she just takes a 1 pixel selection going across like this. Let's move this down a little. So I'm just going to select a little part here. I'm going to copy it into a new document here, and I just want this to be 1 pixel high, and then paste that in there. So you can see already here that this is where my plaid is going to come from. I have this color variation here, and then that's basically the tip there, is that you get this nice color variation from the preview. And then I'm going to come over here. What am I doing? I have these plaid maker ones here, and I'm going to run the light diagonal, and you will see that it will be magic once it's done. And look at that. Oh my, that's a beautiful plaid. And just by making a little selection here. So obviously, depending on where you select or what you include in this preview image, you will get different color variations. And I think this is the most genius thing that anyone has ever told me. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I don't usually talk so much in my tutorials. I try to be quicker, but I was just so amazed by this trick that I can't help but talk more than I should about it. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know if you did, and have a great day.